This tutorial will show you how to speed up, zoom out, blur, transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step to speed up or zoom out blur transition in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, assuming you have your video clip selected and highlighted on the timeline, go under to Effects. If you don't have this, click Window. Make sure Effects and Effects Control, there's a check mark next to it. Type in the following, blur, type in the following, zoom, and under my preset, the Windows TV presets, click the drop down arrow, and as you can see it's under transitions, we can click zoom in. Now I'm going to add a cut from this video to this, which is the same video, but I basically want it to zoom in and blur. So click smooth transition zoom in and drag it on the video clip. And as you notice now when I play the video, it zooms in. Now if you want, you can basically add a blur by going to Effects and typing in blur and adding in a Gaussian blur, which is below video effects, and it's right here, Gaussian blur. Click, hold, and drag on your video, go to Effects Control, scroll down until you see Gaussian blur. And now, if you want, you can click right here, it adds a keyframe and it's 0, but we can make this, let's say 30. And then when we come in, when it zooms in, we can make this 0. So now this is what the video is, or should I say this is the before. Completely for free.